Zest is not decoration. Zest is control. When people think of citrus, they think of juice, sourness, acidity, sharpness. But juice is only half the story. The real identity of citrus lives on the surface. Zest is the colored outer layer of citrus peel. It contains the highest concentration of aromatic oils in the entire fruit. These oils are volatile, meaning they evaporate easily and carry scent and flavor directly to the nose. Flavor begins with aroma. Zest works before the tongue. Botanically, zest is the flavored layer of citrus peel. Beneath it lies the white pith, known as the albedo. Pith is bitter. Zest is fragrant. The difference is microscopic, yet decisive. When zest is grated or peeled correctly, it releases essential oils such as limonene, citral, linalool, and pinene. These compounds are responsible for citrus brightness and complexity. This is why zest tastes stronger than juice. Juice provides acidity. Zest provides identity. Different citrus fruits produce radically different zests. Lemon zest is sharp, clean, and electric. Orange zest is warm, sweet, and rounded. Lime zest is aggressive and green. Grapefruit zest is floral, bitter, and complex. Yuzu, bergamot, and kaffir lime zests are intensely aromatic and culturally specific. Zest is not interchangeable. In cooking, zest is used sparingly. Too little is invisible, too much dominates. Precision matters. Professional kitchens treat zest as a finishing tool. It is added late, often off heat, to preserve volatile oils. Heat destroys aroma. Timing defines impact. Zest functions in multiple culinary roles. It brightens heavy dishes. It balances fat. It lifts sweetness. It sharpens salt. It softens bitterness. This versatility makes zest universal. In baking, zest enhances sweetness without adding sugar. Lemon zest in cake does not make cake sour. It makes it vivid. Orange zest in chocolate desserts does not overpower chocolate. It deepens it. In savory cooking, zest cuts richness. A fatty fish gains clarity from lemon zest. A creamy sauce gains structure from orange or lime zest. Meat dishes gain freshness without moisture. Zest is dryness with aroma. Juice is wet acidity. This distinction matters. In spice blending, dried citrus zest functions as a bridge ingredient. It connects herbs to spices. It links sweetness to heat. It stabilizes flavor profiles. Historically, zest has been used for preservation. Citrus peels were dried and stored long before refrigeration. Their oils resisted spoilage and masked off flavors. Candied zest emerged as both preservation and luxury. Sugar locked aroma in place. Medicinally, citrus zest has been valued for digestion. Essential oils stimulate appetite and enzyme production. Traditional systems recognized this long before chemistry confirmed it. Zest also contains flavonoids and antioxidants, particularly in darker citrus varieties. These compounds contribute bitterness, complexity, and health value. However, zest is powerful. It must be respected. Improper zesting includes pith. Pith introduces bitterness and ruins balance. Correct zesting removes only the colored layer. Tools matter. Microplanes, peelers, and zesters exist for control. Knives are blunt instruments by comparison. Fresh zest is always superior. Pre-grated zest loses aroma rapidly as oils evaporate. This is why packaged zest products lack depth. Zest is time-sensitive. Once released, aroma fades. Once faded, it cannot be recovered. This is why chefs zest directly over dishes. Aroma falls where it matters. Culturally, zest appears differently across cuisines. Mediterranean cooking uses lemon and orange zest extensively. Middle Eastern cuisine values dried citrus peels. Southeast Asian cooking relies on kaffir lime zest and leaves. Italian cuisine treats zest as punctuation, not punctuation marks. Zest is punctuation, not paragraph. In beverages, zest defines character. Gin is built on citrus peel oils. Cocktails rely on expressed zest oil sprayed across the surface. Coffee and chocolate benefit from orange zest in controlled doses. Zest works on the nose first, tongue second. This sensory order explains its power. The most common mistake with zest is overuse. People assume more aroma equals better flavor. This is false. Zest amplifies. It does not replace. Another mistake is early addition during cooking. Heat flattens zest. Aroma becomes dull. Always consider when to add it. Zest is not a spice in the traditional sense. It is a volatile aromatic element. It behaves differently from seeds, bark, or roots. Spices persist. Zest disappears. That is its beauty. Zest is the fastest way to change a dish without changing its structure. A single pass of lemon zest can transform an entire plate. This efficiency is why professionals rely on it. Zest does not need explanation on the plate. It does not announce itself. It simply works. In modern food culture obsessed with extremes, zest represents restraint, precision, awareness. It is the surface that defines the whole.